We're back at Grumpy Goat Pottery, and we find the artist hard at work with her carving tool and underglazes.
Let's see who she's creating today. Ah,
It's the Magellanic penguin.
the heat must have drawn it from its South American shores.
As this mug nears completion, you may enjoy the sound of the beloved penguin.
Wait, that's not right. How did you get in here? Oh well,
You can find more amazing pottery in our store at the Windmill in Penny, New York, or on our website grumpygoatpottery.co.
thanks for watching.